Kajing kentiuk bakraw iki kam jungok kai perthei ke Jylla Meghalinor bat kumjuru iki kam ile kai sport Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma menta ka singi ula Plie Pyrda ke jingnya lieng lani ki yak bala ai ke teng Meghalinor hapung Umïam. Ka singi Plie Pyrda lawan miniship menta du Myntri ke tanat jungok kai perthei uba polling no u commissioner bat secretary jong ka tanat jungok kai perthei u Dr. VJ Kumar D IAS bat uba Cyril V Dingdo u director jong ka tanat jungok kai perthei Kibalai don lang hagan ke sengi kide kinong ya kop nya lieng rengkat bat bun kiwe pat dikendam bat kilendan. Ha ka jingkran jong Myntri Rangbah ula penpaw ke jingdan kam ban penyesok lang ya ki kam jongok kai perthei bat ki kam sport kum kasin jam syakara kapar habarok kiliang. Mula ongru ba kini ki jingthu om tangba ki penha shu ka bor kring nong jongok kai jong ka Jylla hendre ka prut dak prut lintiru ban thau kam thau jam ya ki samla.
Whether it's sports, we have got great targets and goals and plans that we have in mind. And as we work towards achieving those goals, many programs are being done. And as I said, today's program is a great example of two verticals, which is sports and tourism coming together, which is again very important sector for us. And what actually combines all of this together is also the larger vision that we have for creating livelihood and employment and targeting the youth and keeping the youth in the center of what we do. Our decisions are revolved around what is good for our youngsters. And therefore, all of this entire program brings all of these points together for us. We are very keen to see that tourism sector will create larger employment for our children and for our youngsters. All of you know that Meghalaya is a very young state. Almost 50% of our population is below the age of 20. So therefore, it's a very important group. I keep telling people that it is the Gen Zs, Gen Alpha and the Gen Beta that makes up majority of Meghalaya. And hence, for us as a government, we need to really plan very well to be able to cater to the needs of this young generation, which is almost 18 lakh plus in terms of numbers. Set the foundations correctly for them to be able to then provide an opportunity in the years to come. And therefore, all of this planning is part of the thought process we have. Umïam, as you know, has been something that has not really reached its true potential when it comes to the development of tourism. And as you're aware, we are doing many things apart from the entire sailing and using the different water sports in Umïam. You are aware that we are developing and creating large infrastructure. So where we are right now, this and the section next to us, we will be developing this into most probably one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region. And we are planning to put up a very high-end resort out here. The process is already on. I think in about a month's time, we should have the developers on board. And hopefully in about 2 years to 3 years' time, we should be seeing one of the best resorts in the entire eastern region and maybe one of the best in the country coming up right here in this zone that we are seeing in front of us, which will again, as I said, build up the overall value and experience and unlock the true potential that is there in this area of Umïam. And therefore, but while we do that, we realize that there are many activities that can be built around this. So all of these areas will be developed. All the entire, as I said, resorts will come up. There are private resorts on the other side that are being built. And many, as I said, activities will be coming up. We are working towards getting the seaplanes, taking off from here, hopefully going towards Kaziranga, creating a circuit between the top destinations of the Northeast, where a tourist from Mumbai does not have to plan that, a separate booking for Meghalaya, separate booking for Assam, separate booking for Arunachal Pradesh. how can we create that circuit where even the Northeast can be then promoted as one destination, and of course, Meghalaya will be a very, very important and integral part of that process.
Ini ke Meghalinor ke dekat yacht ke ba di akasin ke baningkong ke Jylla ki nong jengok kai pat ki bakwa ban enjoy ya ke dekat yacht wan ya ke dekat facility ti ke ba ni skotanat kum ke department kolong ba hadin bangila study ya ke dekat lake ya ke dekat Umïam lake ngilap ru ba borok ki biang lut kum kenuksa ka speed but ka intensity ka velocity jong ke air ru ki kalong ka biang bha ka ba yarap ya ki sailor but ki bakwa ban enjoy ka ka experience ka yacht ha borok lenter ki ayom ti nor kata ka jinglong jingman jong ka lake ru kalong ka biang bha ki kain na ka depth ni kain na ka jingdon jong ka kilum ba jangam saudong but ka ni community ba kani kadang datang ka jingstang namar ha ka snem ka banwan lang bu khatwei bana shubu ba shi snem lang ni ngin la ru ban introduce saya ka lake cruise ka ba ninyo ba ka capacity kan long ba shi spa santo mut ki brio tenga khat nga wer ki pa ba banwan ban ya shim banta ban enjoy ya kani ka yacht experience but kani ka lake ka ba la tip ru nang ru yak nam jongka kum ko na ka ba itanat tam apo kari India ak perdai hi bro ko
Kakak kum experience yuki ko kilai open song.
ke hap ha ya ki nong ki ba chong kani ka yacht dan e ka ba sir kalong ka ba shingan ba kalong ka ba save ba but kita deh kanu ka age group ru da kanu no taru kila ban enjoy kani ka yacht ka ba ni ai kum ka jingmana kalong ba ki kin pet ru ba ya kita ki safety norms mo ki safety norms kini bat ba khang ba kadum don ginu jingja ban sosi ban kani ka way nang tu ngin sa shim report ka demand na kinong pendon kam mo tala ka demand ka bun ngin don jing ban wara khabut den rai ka bagi la khat ru benta kalau hini ki lieng ki bala khamrim ni kini ru ngin bujli no ngin wara lagi ba tambang ti mereka ultimate experience hi si jong ki bawan chani kan long dang la don sa ka lake cruise ka ba shispa san po mut e ka capacity